Hello class, today what we're looking at is a couple practice problems for when we have a positive number plus a negative number. And I want to show you how this is really easy, and it actually turns out being just like your regular old subtraction problem that you've been doing since, when you were in second grade, second grade, whatever. And we're going to look at these 6 problems that are boxed off. You're going to see that some of the problems are crossed out, and you're going to see even on the answer sheet that you're going to be using for your classwork, you're going to see that those same problems have a nope next to them, meaning you don't need to type your answer for those problems because we're not doing them. And this is the reason why, because as I said, these problems turn out to be just like your basic subtraction problem. These are a little bit more involved because the first number is smaller than the second number, so you'd end up with an answer that was negative. And we're not really looking at that for this part of the lesson. So we're just going to do the ones that give us the same thing that I had said earlier, just your basic subtraction problem. So 8 plus a negative 7 really becomes 8 minus 7. Because when we add a negative, we're really subtracting. So 8 minus 7 is 1. I can make my marker a little thinner here. And here we have 12 plus negative 8. That simply becomes 12 minus 8. Okay, because we're adding a negative. So we're really subtracting. So 12 minus 8, well, that equals 4. And then here we have 9 plus negative 4. Can you guess what that becomes? I hope you said 9 minus 4, because again, we're adding a negative. So 9 minus 4, that's 5. And then we move on. 32 plus negative 9. What does that become? I hope you said 32 minus 9, because that's really what we're doing, adding a negative, which means subtraction. 32 minus 9, okay, well, that's 23. All right, and then we look at a problem like this. 18 plus negative 18. What does that become? 18 minus 18. Because again, we're adding a negative, which means we're subtracting. 18 minus 18, any number minus itself is always 0. All right, then we look at the next problem. 56 plus 30. What does that become? I hope you said 56 minus 30. Again, because we're adding a negative. 56 minus 30, that's 26. All right, so that's all the examples I think I need to show you because it's pretty cut and dry and straightforward. Your task will be to complete the problems that aren't crossed off and to put them on the answer sheet that I showed you earlier. And then you will also have a homework sheet with similar problems. And again, on the homework sheet, you have some problems that say nope, which means you don't need to do those. Okay, so I hope that video was helpful, and I will see you on Zoom or on Google Classroom.